How do pop-up drink stands build a reputation for great boba? They build trust by serving fresh tea, chewy pearls, consistent flavors, clean drinks, and friendly service every time. A great stand starts with tea that tastes fresh instead of overly sweet or watery. The tea should be brewed carefully because steeping it too long can make it bitter, while weak tea can disappear under the milk and syrup. Boba pearls are best when they are soft and chewy inside, not hard, mushy, or stuck together. A little-known detail is that cooked pearls keep changing texture, so shops usually make them in small batches and use them within a few hours. Customers also notice whether the sweetness and ice can be adjusted, since one person may want a strong tea flavor while another prefers a creamy drink. Clear ingredient labels help people avoid allergens and understand what they are ordering. Clean tools, covered ingredients, hand washing, and safe cold storage show that the stand takes quality seriously. To build a strong reputation, the owner should write down each recipe, taste samples throughout the day, ask customers for honest feedback, and fix repeated problems quickly. One common mistake is using old pearls, so make smaller batches and replace them when they lose their soft, chewy texture. Another mistake is hiding too much sweetness with syrup, so offer different sweetness levels and let the tea flavor stay noticeable. Some stands also change recipes or portion sizes without warning, which makes customers lose trust, so measure every ingredient and keep popular drinks consistent. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.